Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your mouse sensitivity in Valorant. Let's get started. First, open Valorant. Click the Settings icon. Then open Settings. Stay on the General tab. Scroll down to the mouse section. Here you'll find Sensitivity, Aim. This is your main mouse sensitivity. Move the slider. Or enter a value manually until you find a sensitivity that feels comfortable. You can also adjust Scoped Sensitivity Multiplier. This affects your sensitivity while using sniper scopes. Below that, you'll find ADS Sensitivity Multiplier. This changes your sensitivity when aiming down sights with supported weapons. After changing your settings, join the practice range or play a match and test your new sensitivity. If it feels too fast, lower the value. If it feels too slow, increase it. Take your time and use the sensitivity that feels best for you. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.